Today has been very productive so far. It's a day 3, and I woke up on Valentia Island with this beautiful view. I had a breakfast with the owner, which was really fun. He just told me something about the Irish history, which was really lovely. And then I headed over to a grotto. I just saw the directions for the grotto. It wasn't actually on my list at all, but I saw directions for it and I was like, why not? Because it was actually on the way where I was going in the first place. So that one was really, really cool. Next one up, this was actually on my itinerary, and I went to Geokaun mountain. I think that's the way I say it, I'm not sure. I took some videos of the cliffs, which were epic, and also of the mountain summit. Right after that, I packed up and headed over to the Dingle Peninsula. On the way, I stopped a lot because it was just so beautiful all the way, like everywhere, really. I think Kerry is now my favorite county, really. I took some shots. On the way, I stopped at Rossbeigh Beach, or Rossbeigh. I'm not sure exactly how you say it, but it's incredibly beautiful. It's just this a piece of beach that just sticks out on the water, and that was amazing. And now I'm sitting in the car waiting for this insane rain to stop. Actually, all throughout this drive, the rain has been pretty consistent and pretty non-consistent at the same time, so it comes and goes all day long. So usually you just need to sit for 5 minutes and the rain goes away, and then it comes back in about 15 minutes. But this one has been going on for about 10 minutes now, so I'm waiting for it to finish because I'm in this mind-blowing beach, this beautiful pier. There's 2 other cars in front of me waiting to go there as well. Like, in the whole trip there was nobody at anywhere I was going to, but there are 2 cars here, and the reason for it is because so far I have to say it's probably the most beautiful place I've seen. It's incredible.